Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that means something unnecessary or excessive, superfluous. It might seem a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is superfluous. Let's break it down. First, we have su, which sounds like Sue. Next is per, which rhymes with stir and is the stressed syllable. Then we have flu, which sounds like flu in influence. Finally, we end with us, a soft, unstressed sound like the aus in fabulous. Now let's put it all together. Superfluous. Try repeating after me. Superfluous. Now a little faster. Superfluous. And at full speed. Superfluous. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Superfluous means unnecessary, excessive, or more than what is needed. For example, he gave a superfluous amount of detail in his explanation. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce superfluous and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.